In the previous tutorial, we configured the Java Maven project with Postman core and loaded the exported Postman collection and environment files. The link to that video is available in the description. In this tutorial, we will use those settings to execute REST API requests from Java. First, let's review the current pom.xml file by double-clicking it in the Eclipse project tree. Then right-click the pom.xml file, go to Maven, and select Add Dependency. In the Add Dependency window, enter the JPostman Assured REST API executor dependency. Optionally, set the scope to test, then click OK. As a best practice, use the test scope for testing-related libraries. To resolve the SLF4J warning in the console, I will add logback-classic as a dependency. You can find the latest version from the link below or in the video description. Copy the dependency from the website and paste it into pom.xml. Then set the scope to test. Before we test the log output, I need to create a logback configuration file. I will right-click the src/test/resources directory, choose New, then File. I will name the file logback-test.xml and click Finish. After that, I will add a simple configuration to print log messages to the console using the trace level. To test the log output, I will remove the toSystem.out.print lines and replace them with the collection print statement. Then I will save the file, right-click, and run it as a test.ng test. In the console output, we can see now the collection requests and folders under the root level. To inspect the request details, I will create a local request variable. We will reuse this request later with the RestAssured executor. First, I will add the JPostman request import, then call getRequest from the loaded collection. For the first post request, I will use the request name shown in the console, login user and get tokens. I will copy that name, paste it into the getRequest method, and then call print to display the request debug information. Before running the test, I will comment out the previous collection debug output, so the console shows only the selected request details. Then I will use Ctrl plus F11 to run the last test.ng test again. As a result, we can see the request description and body with unresolved placeholders. Instead of hardcoding values in Java, we will read them from the exported Postman environment JSON file. This helps avoid code changes when the API changes in Postman. I will add the environment import, define an environment variable, and print the environment details to inspect the available variables. After running the test with Ctrl plus F11, we can see the environment values that will replace the placeholders in the request. Next, I will import the RestAssured executor class, pass the environment object into the build method, execute the request, and call print to display the output. Press Ctrl plus S to save the file. Then press Ctrl plus F11 to run the last test.ng test again. Excellent! We successfully executed our first REST API call and received a response from the server. In the next video, we will review chained requests. Let's compare the same request using JPostman and manual RestAssured code. In the next tutorial, we will continue exploring more JPostman features. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.